Today we will fix you don't have permission to save in this location error. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Identify the problematic folder. Right click on the folder and select Properties. Navigate to the Security tab. Click on Advanced. Select Change next to the owner's name. Click on Advanced again. Click on Find Now and choose your account from the list. Click OK to confirm. Click on Apply to save the changes. Click on Edit. Click on Add. Once again click on Advanced. Click on Find Now and select your account. Allow the required permission. Click OK. That's it. You should now have permission to save in the location. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking.